Hello there, welcome to today's video. And if you're joining here for the first time, I'm Mary the Share Lady, and today is Sunday 30th April. It's on a Sunday morning. I'm just waking up right now, and today is a very special day for us because we are moving, and not just moving, we are relocating into a new town. All I can say, it was just on a very short notice. That's all I can say. So right now I've just gotten up. In a few minutes the movers will be here, so I really need to go rush into the kitchen, make some breakfast before they get here. Yeah, so the last time I made a video here, I was doing a makeover of this living room, and actually I had prepared that video. It was to go up like 2 weeks ago, almost 2 weeks ago, not 2 weeks, like 10 days ago, but I was not able to put it up because this whole relocating thing came up then. Yeah, so that video will not be coming up, but I will continue with that series in the new house, in the new town, guys. Yeah, so I thought of just sharing with you this moving experience. I also thought it would be a great thing because, you know, having this memory filmed up. Yeah,
I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air, so let's take it from there, cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop.
yeah, so the movers are already here. They've just gotten started up quickly. Yeah, so there's a person in every room just doing their work, packing up and all, yeah, kind of things going on here.
Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow?
And they're just making the work seem like, you know, it's just easy because they're doing it super quickly. Yeah, so the company that is moving us today is Delight Movers, and this is not a paid promotion, I'm just mentioning them. Yeah, so they are called Delight Movers. I got to know of them from a poster by the roadside when I was hunting for the house in the new town. So I knew that these are people who have who are most likely familiar with this place, so I took the number. My husband called them, they responded very well. They went ahead to email a quotation, and that's how we got to pick them and just get into business with them. I also liked them because their prices were not that exaggerated comparing to other, you know, other movers that, you know, we had consulted with. Yeah, so as the movers are finishing up, we are going to bid our friends a goodbye, our friends who are also our neighbors. So we are going to just bid them a goodbye, but we are going to be visiting them because, you know, they are like family to us.
Let's take it from there. Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow?
Yeah, so back into the moving. By 10:30 the movers were done with the packing, and here we are hitting the road to our new town. So it's going to be an hour drive away to the new location. Yeah, so 1 hour we'll be there, we should be there. Yeah, because it's still early in the morning, and it's on a Sunday. I'm hoping there will be no traffic. Yeah, so we should be there in 1 hour's time. So hello guys, so we are already here, and right now we are waiting for the movers to get here. And before they get here, I'm just going to give you a quick look into the empty house. Yeah, so let's just go and have just a tour in this house. It's a very big house. And then after we settle in, of course, I'm going to give you another tour, but let me just give you a quick tour for now. Yeah, so this is from the entry door. This is the living room. You have one large window, and then sockets there, and over here. So like I said, it's going to be a quick look from the living room. On the left wing, we have the kitchen and a small bedroom over here, and then there's wardrobes, drawers. That is the small bedroom, and then here is the kitchen. Also, the kitchen is a very good size. Yeah, so that's it for the kitchen. We have a double sink. It's a double sink over there, and then we have the alternative of using hot water. Just do the connections down there. This is where you have your gas cylinder, and yeah, this is where the pipe will go through. Of course, here is for the cooker. Here we have I think I'll put the fridge over there. Yeah, pole too, we'll get there with time. Yeah, so out from the kitchen we have the area. This is where I'll have my washing machine. We do have a socket here, the drainage, and then there's a top part here. I don't know, I'll figure out that later. So that is the space, all the kitchen balcony, and then there's a place to like put your clothing line. Although they do have hanging lines up there in the top balcony. Yeah, so this way, from the first bedroom. Now we are going, let me just take you back. So from the first bedroom, small bedroom, and then back to the living room. Okay, so that is the living room. It's a pretty good size. And then now we have the corridor here. And the first thing you walk into here, we have the washroom and the bathroom, the common washroom, the sink area. So that is the space. It's a big space actually. So we are the ones to install the shower, the instant shower for ourselves. So from the washrooms, straight ahead, that is the master bedroom, but that will view later. And then on this other side, we have another bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. Okay, let me give them numbers. So over there we left bedroom 1. This is bedroom 2. This is it's a very big size, a very large window over there, but it's not that bright. Yeah, so that is the size of the whatever inbuilt wardrobes. It's really done well. The house is clean. And then this is bedroom number 3. Yeah, also very large one. Yeah, so also the storage is pretty good. We have enough storage here. We are not going to complain. So from here we are going straight into the master bedroom. So here's the master bedroom. Yeah, so if you can notice, the walls are not like that straight. It has some angle to it because it's in the end. The house is in one of the far end of the building, but that's not a problem. So into the master bedroom we have double windows, making the room quite bright. And then over here we have a his and her closet, enough storage again, an in-bit mirror. And then here we have our bathroom. Here goes the toilet. Then they have these accessories as well. That is the bathroom area. Also for this bathroom, we are going to put the instant shower for ourselves. Yeah, so this is the master bedroom. Yeah, so someone cleaned the house yesterday. That's why it looks this way, but I'm sure it's going to dry up with time. Then from the master bedroom, it leads outside to another corridor. This is the chill area from the bedroom. We have also the alternative to put our hanging lights from here. So yeah, so this is it. Yeah, so this is the outdoors of the master bedroom. Yeah, so that's just the look of the house. It's a 4-bedroomed house. It's very big for us, but we'll adjust to time. Yeah, so I think once we settle in, I'll plan to do a video of the whole house tour. Yeah, so let's just continue with the moving in. Right now I'm waiting for the movers to get here. We got here before them, but they're somewhere around the corner. My husband has gone to pick them, so they'll be here. And let's just continue with the moving in.
I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show. And I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? 'Cause I don't know, I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show. And I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away, no. Grow, 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 grow.
So since the plain tea that we had in the morning, we have not had anything else, so we are super hungry, and I've just managed to pick some takeaway food from outside the new place.
I know how you feel, but you're scared to say to my face. I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show. And I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Yeah, make you move before someone takes your place. I see you watching me when we're with our friends. There's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there. So let's take it from there. Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? And I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? I know you want it. Afraid to let it show. You need it, baby. Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow? Think we lost all, but who will take the fall? Who will win it all? You know the cost, still you go through walls. Keep on acting small. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove.
Hey, hello. Yeah, so this is the next day after the moving in, and our first night here was very good. I was actually very tired, but our first day here so far has been good. And because I really don't want this video to be that long, yeah, so we'll continue in the next video, but for this video we'll have to end it here. Yeah, I'll be sharing with you more about this house, about us settling in and all that. Yeah, I have a lot of things that needs to be done until we can say like we are fully settled, but that will take time. I'm not going to rush it. So until the next video, guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate for your time, and I'll be seeing you on the next video.